Good morning, everybody. It's January 31st, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramoochie's. This is your morning tea. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has dropped to 20 from yesterday's 29 and Friday's 24. Bitcoin dominance is at 41.9%. 24-hour volumes at $57 billion. Egads. I almost have to believe that that's some sort of error. And the overall market cap is 1.68 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Ooh. B flat over C. It's kind of like a musical theater chord that you'd hear in Rent. Well, on Friday, we built a ladder of hope up to 40K. Our targets were 38.4 and 39.1. Next stop is 37.9. We'll likely hit 38.4 soon, followed by 39.1. And later that day, we hit 37.9, 38.2, and topped out at 38.8. Before the bulls ran out of steam, and we've been drifting down ever since. Dancing between the 20 moving average as resistance and the 50 moving average as support, we find ourselves rubbing the bottom of an ascending channel, which is also in the neighborhood of the 50 moving average. If we break down from this channel and subsequently the 50 moving average, it's quite likely to see some stops way down at 36.4. It's not that far, really. But maybe a little action down at 35.7. And if she gets cold enough, 34.8. We can also make a symmetrical triangle out of her and see that we will most likely break out of it today as we are hitting Coil City. A lot of the upside and downside will depend on our relationship with the 20 and the 50 moving average, as they will both be in attendance at the triangle breakout site. Will either hold us up or push us down. With volume so heartbreakingly low, really does allow for some violent moves to take place if a whale was so darn tootin'. Over on the daily, we are also in a symmetrical triangle, the Switzerland of triangles, with no real horse in the race. There are no favorable probabilities to the up or downside. These patterns just sit and wait ski. Now, caring not for bulls or bears, it's quite evident that the wind is and has been blowing bearish lately, despite some intermittent gusts of bull's breath. So I would have to say the momentum is in the favor of a return to the downside. And well, I hate to say it, but there is a wick elephant in the room down at 32.9, kind of looking us across the room with a, I know you, don't I? Well, look away, my friends. Don't make any eye contact with her, that's for sure. With some big shot tech companies coming out with their earnings this week, could be the bullish breath we need to keep us up and to the right. Coupled with some social upheaving and some option closes, I think we got ourselves a real exciting week here, folks. So grab some popcorn and remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So tune out. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. Bitcoin, crypto,